Shit,
Yeah,
it's your boy EeSy.
E
Lost
to the
Link.
SY.
Do it, get your
Lost
coronas
Link,
and start moaning
baby
right now.
bangers.
Girl, move them hips and keep it going right now. Yeah.
Yeah, this track sounding like a heartbeat. Stop me, mommy, I got the keys to the car seat. All we in a convertible, so top me, bop me, or you could just whole parking lot me. Coffee skin color looking something like a latte. Baby roll with the ball of these other dudes is not paid. Mommy, I can see that you kinda naughty. Poppy what she call me and they know the kid is suave. Chill, you catch me chillin' with my arm brace. Amigos, Frios, fresh kicks with the Sean Jays. See those eagles, hex spits with the hot spray. Girl, bring your seagulls, cause I'm looking for a hot date. Cool dude, food, you got play, yeah, I got game. Hopping like Monopoly, jumping out the box springs, offspring swallowing. Brains, yeah, I got a dream. Got a mean moaning, keep it hot like a jalapeno.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how these young niggas get down. Cause I'm trying to hear the moaning sound. It's like,
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how these young niggas get down. Cause I'm trying to hear the moaning sound. I go by the name of Omar. Young EeSy, bless the track so far. Baby, I'm trying to lay you on the sofa. Take pics, make flicks, go far, no bar, no doubt. I'ma have you while I'm scheming, oh God. Home run hitter, you can call a nigga Sosa. Open crib chair when you coming over. Spanish chicken pippin', they be giving me the chocha. I wanna see your body move like a cobra. Snake you on tape, I can make you a porn star. Like Paris or Pamela, I can be your man with my hands on the camera. Pigtail head, yes, I can grab your handlebars. Bicycle brain off the chain, I can handle bras. So hot, I'm the first man to land on Mars. Have you addicted to visiting my candy shop? Yeah.
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how this young nigga gets down. Cause I'm trying to hear the moaning sound. It's like this, y'all. It's like this, y'all. I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how me and EeSy get down. Cause we trying to hear the moaning sound. Damn, girl, I like that ass on you. Looking too good for me to let it pass through. Now tell me what you say if I asked you to follow me over there to the back room to talk you on the what? Well, maybe that too. Hot you. God bless you when your mama had you. Looking at it, looking like she got ass too. I don't mean to be disrespectful, ain't gotta smack dude. So come here, baby, let me holler at you. Maybe if you strip for me, I'ma throw a dollar at you. I ain't even had to travel to the mall to bag you. We in the club taking shots and sipping all the tattoo. Number one breezy, get you alone, I make you scream my name easy. E to the SY, you got the best eyes, chest and ass clap more than a Tech 9.
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how the kid EeSy gets down. Cause I love your moaning sound. Mommy, do it like.
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how the kid EeSy gets down. Cause I love your moaning sound. Mommy, do it like. Damn, hold me, oh my. I'm not a pilot, but I'm seen as fly. Girls looking at me with the meanest eyes, as if they want me in between the thighs. Baller, y'all check my stats later. Got more lines than a piece of graph paper. Why? I'm sly, of course. The reason why hubbies wanna file divorce. I teach sex ed freaks, try my course, and they fail on purpose to try some more. Damn, I got a right to grin, cause I'm getting more paper than recycling bins. Girls, please don't think I'ma spend, unless we're fuck buddies or intimate friends. So, you can say peace to your man, cause I doubt you ever wanna see him again. It's like,
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how this young nigga gets down. Cause I'm trying to hear the moaning sound. It's like this, y'all. It's like this.
Wow.
I'm about to put you on right now. Show you how O and EeSy get down. Cause we're trying to hear the moaning sound.